Good day, everyone. We are Group 3 and we are here to discuss the forging and reshaping processes. So, what is forging and reshaping processes? Forming and shaping processes are important methods in manufacturing. They change raw materials like metals into useful shapes without removing materials. These processes are widely used in industries such as in construction and in electronics because they save materials to reduce waste and create strong parts. Moving on, we have here forging. So, what is forging? Forging, it is a process where metal is shaped by applying compressive force, usually with hammer or press. We have here an example of forging. Para mas ma-visualize ninyo kung unsa jud ang forging. In this example, you can see that they're using raw materials and then pressed it in order for them to create another useful materials.
So let's proceed to rolling. What is rolling? A process where metal passes between rulers to reduce thickness or make uniform sheets. So mao ni ang example sa ruling. Gipaagi nila ang metal sa ruler para mausab iyang shape ug iyang kanitson. Para magamit ang raw material into useful one. And this one too.
So moving on, we have here extrusion and drawing. So what is extrusion and drawing? Extrusion is forcing material through a shaped opening to make long objects with uniform cross sections. Drawing, in another hand, is pulling metal through a die to make it longer and thinner.
Mao ni example sa extrusion and drawing. Ipaagi ang heated metal sa usa ka pipe and then i-press siya para mahimong longer na pipe. And this example is cold aluminum extrusion. Ang cold aluminum extrusion is ang usa ka metal ipapugnaw siya, then ibutang siyang butanganan, then i-press siya para mahimo siyang square tubes. And the other example is, as you can see in the video, ang isa ka wire ni agi og reshaping processes, and between those two rulers na gamay nga hole nga iyang giagian para mapausog sa iyang gibag-on.
Hi! Now, we're going to talk about applications in construction and electronics. So in this portion, makabulutag ko sa mga best examples sa forging and reshaping in the field of construction and electronics. So, we're going to talk about first in construction. Forged tools like hammers and pliers are used by workers. So, kabalo naman tano by reshaping another material like hammer and pressing, pareha sa giingon sa examples nato ganiha, to make a useful materials. So, next is rolled steel beams are used in high-rise buildings and bridges. So, para asa man to, katong mga gipang reshape to make it useful, ginagamit siya sa mga high-rise buildings and bridges to support para mas strengthen ang atuang bridges and buildings. Next is extruded aluminum is used for window frames and door panels. So, nakita na magita na like sa mga doors, kanang mga hinges, giform na siya. Then kanang sa mga window, kanang iyang mga borders like kanang sa mga isig kakilid sa windows, mo na siya application in construction. Don't forget that these three are some examples in construction. Let's move on to electronics. Drawn copper wires are used in circuits and power cables. So, parehaan lang sa picture ninyong nakita. Kanang mga copper wires, di na siya inana, di-process pa na siya, and then muna siya ang application like sa mga power cables kanang sa mga outlets. Next is extruded plastic is used for insulation of electrical wires. Kanang mga nakita nato sa ato ang mga LAN cables mo na siyang mga applications. Diha siya napaingon. Human og process. Next is rolled thin metal sheets are used in electronic casings. So when we talk about casings, siya ang nag-support like siya ang ga-housing pareha nang sa PC nato kanang mga metal sheets na isikakilid sa computer mo na siyang mga casing. These are some examples of electronics for you to familiarize. That's it.